G37. I got work on it and I have to remove the grill, so I might as well show you how to do that. Alright, this one's already off behind me. All you will need is a drill with a 10 on it. You need a 10, another 10 small. You're gonna need this. Take out the clips. Maybe you might need this. We'll see how it goes. Now, let's remove these 10s. There's one here, another one here, here. Should be one here, but it's missing. And one of these corners, which is missing too. Right here. Should be right under there. Each side. And you're gonna remove these. Should have a top on it, but this don't have one. Right here. One right here. Another one here. And right there. So, let's take off these 10s first. Now, let's remove these clips off out here. Should be, you can use your finger. You don't have to use this. Use your finger because this don't have the top piece. If you have the top piece on it, you're gonna need this to pop it out. So these, I could just rip it off. That, and take that off. Put this somewhere, you could find it to reuse it. And don't forget, there's a 10 that's here in each corner before you take this off. Now, take this off. There's a thing that's stopping it right here. Sometimes these crack like this, see? Guess someone took it off before and it cracked. See these? They're in the way. So you have to back it out, and just pull it up. Okay, like that, see? Just do it again. That's like that. Back it out, pull up. Should pop up. Make sure you don't crack yours. Mine is cracked already. Let's pop this up. As soon as you pop this out, it should come up. Make sure you watch these. There's some wire that's connected to it, so you have to flip it up like this. You see what I'm talking about? They're supposed to be right here. These right here in these holes. So you get get some pliers, take them out. These things easy, just pop it up. Use this or a flathead. I'm gonna use this to bend this back, just like that. Do this one same way, just like that. Okay. Now, as soon as you do that, just bend it back like this. Take it out. Take this out. This should be in here. Should be in here. Just like that. So you take pliers, squeeze it out. Now, just pull on this. This metal's in the way, so you're gonna have to pull back, push back, and pull it up. Do that. As soon as you take that off, put this to the side. Or up there, whatever, or to the side. Now there's bolts under here. Man, there's bolts right there. Then put the flashlight. Okay, there's 4 bolts, well 5 bolts. There's one there. There's 1. 2 is right under here. Right under this intake is in the way. And if you can see, that's another one. Another one right there. It's 2. It's 3 right here. Right in the middle. Another one to the side. Right here. There it is. Last one. It should be right under this one. So go right here. The grill should be right there. There it is. There it is. That's the 5th one. Now let's use a 10 mil. Take those out. 10. I'm gonna use this ratchet with the 10 on it. Start in the middle. Take those off right here. this with my hand. Don't drop it. Put it somewhere safe. Let's do this one right here. I need the flat one. Alright, I'm gonna use the flat one now. Use a flat 10. It's useful. Flat 10 right here. Let's do it like this. Take the 10 right here off. Use a neck, use a finger. See. Okay. Take that off. Just in case he was wondering how I got that bottom bolt, I use a 10 deep with a short extendo to get to it, because you know there's this damn intake in my way. I have to extend it out, so we might have to do the same thing to the other side. This side, I'm gonna use this to take that off right here. Take this off. A little loose right there. Take that off. Okay. That's somewhere safe. Now let's do the other ones deep in there. Might have to use a stubby one. I'm gonna start with this, see if this works. A short 10. Try to get in there. If you don't have this intake, this would be much easier. This intake is fucking annoying. Now, soon you took all those 5 bolts out, if none of them seized, now you're gonna take it off slow. Don't rip it off, because there's tabs in there. You should like squeeze and pull it out. You see what I'm talking about. Let's continue. As I was saying, I was talking about these tabs. You see how this thing's up like that? You gotta squeeze it down. Squeeze that down and push on it, on all them. Don't just rip the grill off. So you gotta do each of them. One here, one here, down here. So basically you gotta press on it and pull on the grill at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. So here, some down there, this one down there, and this one down there. Just in case you're stuck over here, if you can't get your finger right here in this part, just take a flathead, a short one, a little short one, and just put it right here. Go in it like this. See that? You see how you could just pull it up like that? So squeeze that and pull. Okay, the grill is off. You see that? She was a little, you know, it wasn't that bad to come out. Pull. Don't break nothing. Just don't break anything. Now, let's put the grill back. I already did what I had to do. Now let's put it back easy. Just make sure you align the holes with the holes like this. Just like that with the hole. Align, just push it in. Now let's put the bolts. Let's put your 5 bolts. There's one right here. Put that one. Put your other bolts and tighten the bolts. Okay. Okay, once you tighten your bolts, let's take the cover. Put that on there. Cables go right here on each side. Now let's put this in first. Let's put this behind the metal. Okay, now let's put the cable here, behind here, like that. Snap it down. Same thing on this side. That. snap it down. Then you can put these back if you want. These back here, like this, like that, like that, all them. Okay. This one and this one. Okay, should be like this. So when you put those on, now you can put this down. Make sure you put this hole, these two holes aligned with these two. So let's put this down, push it back first, then as soon as it goes over the hole, pull it back. Just like that. So there you go. Should go in the hole. Now let's put the tens back. Let's put the tens. Get your gun if you have one. Lock it down. You would have one here, and another one right here, and another one right here. I don't have one, so I don't have to do it. You gotta do it if you have yours, if it didn't snap. Put your clips back on. There's 6 of them. You gotta put it back. Just put them in there, like so. Yours will have a push down one, so you have to push it down. This one don't have one. I'm gonna replace these later. It simple, easy, wasn't that bad. So if you're changing your grill, it's the same way to do that. Just take out those bolts, put a new one, put it back the same way we put it back, and that's it. So if you have any questions, already know, comment below, hit me on Instagram, and don't forget to give me a like. That helps you out.